Hello, Nigeria. Welcome to my page, guys. This is good news for you if you're in Nigeria. Okay, a very big business opportunity is about to launch in Nigeria on the 20th of April. And as of now, they are recruiting top leaders to be pioneers and team leaders in Nigeria. So if you're on this page, this is a very big opportunity for you to take action now, guys. This business is going to blow your mind, guys. Now, I'm just going to do a very short, very quick presentation of this business for you to get a fair idea, okay? The English compensation plan and the Naira one is not yet out, okay? They have a comp plan in pesos. So I just want to give a brief description of the business so you can make a decision right now and secure your position as the top leader, okay? So what is the business about? It's called Boss International. It's a network marketing company in Philippines, okay? Now, if you know, Philippines have the best network marketing company on the planet, okay? There's no doubt. Philippines is network marketing. So it's called Boss International. As you can see, it's a well-registered company in Philippines. You can see their certification and all that, okay? So no need to talk about that one. Now, it was founded on the 15th of January 2018, okay, last year. So it's barely, obviously, 1 year old, okay? And they now want to expand outside Philippines. And guess where their first step is? It's Nigeria. As I speak, they have in Philippines and they have an office in Hong Kong. They're now opening their office in Nigeria on the 20th of this April. Okay, so as you can see, right in Lagos. Okay, so this is the best opportunity if you're in Lagos to take your spot right now. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a brief prescription of the product and the compensation plan, especially the comp plan, so that you know how powerful this compensation plan is, guys. This is the best comp plan you can ever see in any network marketing business. All right. So their products are basically perfume. Okay, that's what I like most. Okay, I'm tired with the health product every day. This is perfume. They call it the Boss and the Boss Lady. Okay, according to my upline, it's very, very nice perfume. Okay, so they have perfumes. In fact, they also have soaps, what they call the aloe soaps. They also have some health product here and there, but their main product is the perfume, as you can see here, and the soaps and other amazing products. So these are the products you are going to market: perfumes and soaps and other health products. Very, very powerful. Okay, so as you can see. All right, so now let's move into the comp plan, guys. So as I said, the English comp plan, the dollars compensation plan, and the Naira one is not yet out. Okay, what they have right now is just the pesos because it's only in Philippines. So I'm just going to try to give you that overview of the comp plan in pesos. Forget the values. Just I want you to get the overview. Okay, they will release the Naira and the English comp plan. Then you see how it works out. Okay, but I just want to give you the overview for you to see how powerful this guy is. So they have 7 ways, okay, of making money. They have the product. They have the UBP, guys. Now you are going to love this. It's called the Universal Pro Bonus. They have the Direct Referral Bonus. They have the Cycle Bonus or the Parent Income. They have the Unilevel Income. They have the Infinity Income, guys. You are going to be wild. Then they have the Incentive Card Program. So let's take it one after the other. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. So this is the product. The first one is called the Product Income compensation plan. So as with any network marketing business, okay, you make money from retailing the product if you are interested. Okay, now look how they give you the product at the retail price. Okay, you are going to get the perfume at just $5 or 250 pesos, and you are to sell it at what, $10. That is 50% profit. Okay, so you buy the perfume at $5, sell it at $10. If you want to buy the soap, it's $2.5. Okay, then you sell it at $5. So if you want to be selling the product, this is the commission you'll be making. All right. Now they have the next one they call the UBP. That's the Universal Pro Bonus. Okay. Now, as I told you, this is what even wowed me about the company, the Universal Pro Bonus. Guess what? You know, most people join network marketing and they're able to make anything. Okay, because you've not recruited or not made any sale. So what this company brought was that when people join the company, let's find a way for them to make something from the company's sales. You get that? From the company's sales. Okay, this is, you have not recruited anybody. You just joined the company with your package. You start making money right from the company sales. They call it the Universal Pro Bonus. Okay, so it comes in 3 ways. Okay, the first way is the global linear reward. As you can see this, as soon as you register, the next person to register after you, you start earning on the person on the Universal Pro Bonus. Okay, so look at it. This is you. You registered today. Okay, then guess what? Somebody registers after you globally, not in Nigeria. Anywhere in the world, anybody registers in Boss after, the person is coded to you and you earn commission on the person. That person also registered another person B. You earn money on the person. That person registers another person C. You earn money on the person. Okay, think about that, guys. You just joined it. You'll be making money from anybody who joins after you. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, then they have another part of it. It's called the profit sharing. Okay, still on the universal pro bonus. This is every week the company puts 10% of the global sales in the pool. Okay, 10% of whatever the company makes, they put it in the pool and they share it to everybody in the company according to your share. Okay, this is amazing, guys. Now, if you join as a bronze, you have 1 share. As a silver, you have 3 shares. As a gold, you have 7 shares. As a platinum, so the number of shares you have, you are going to earn from the 10% of the company's profit. Without referring or recruiting anybody, you are sharing in the company's profit every week. Guys, this is unbelievable. Then we have the last one, which is the sponsors reward. Okay, guess what? The third one is that when you join, the person who brought you, which is your sponsor, his sponsor and his sponsor, up to 3 levels up, when they make commissions, what we call the parent commission, you'll be receiving some percentage of what they are making. Guys, are you listening? So this is you joining. This is the person who brought you. Okay, he made, let's say, 10,000 naira today. You make 5% of that 10,000 naira when he makes parent commissions. The person who brought your sponsor too, he makes, let's say, 3,000 naira in parent commission. You make 3% of it. Then the person who brought that your sponsor too, when he makes, let's say, 10,000 naira, you're going to make 2% of it. So without you referring anybody, you have universal pro bono to start making money right away. Guys, this is amazing, guys. Okay, so the universal pro bonus is amazing, guys. You cannot beat the universal pro bonus. Okay, so that's the universal pro bonus. Then this is the direct referral bonus. Okay, this is when you personally refer somebody. When you bring somebody. Okay, this is, as you can see, this is you. Now, when you bring a bronze, you are paid 100 pesos, silver 300 pesos, gold 700 pesos, platinum, as you can see. Okay, diamond 25,000 pesos. So this is the peso value, as I told you. It will be converted to naira and dollars when they release the comp plan. So you are going to be making money from the people you personally sponsor. Okay, all right. Now let's go to the 4th one. Now this is what they call the parent commission, guys. I love this one, parent commission or cycle. Now the company says, as people are start coming into the business, from the people you recruit or even a spillover, when somebody comes on your right and somebody comes on your left, okay, and the company sees 15 points on the right and 15 points on the left, it pairs those 15 points and pays you 150 pesos. Can you imagine, guys? 15 points on the left, 15 points on the right, you are paid 150 pesos. Okay, this will be converted to naira and dollars when the comp plan comes out. Okay, so look at this, it goes till infinity. Okay, your left side and your right side, any number of points. So if you have 1,000 points here, you have 1,000 points here, the company will match how many 15 points they can get and pay you. Okay, now this income is, we are going to earn it daily. Okay, now how much you earn daily depends on your level. If you come in with bronze, you're going to make 3,000 daily pesos. If you come in with silver, 6,000. If you come in with gold, 10,000. If you come in with platinum, 15,000. So they are going to give us the naira or the dollar equivalent. Okay, okay. So this is daily. Now guess what? One thing I like, if you get excess points, the company doesn't flash it away. It carries it the following day. Okay, let's assume you have 2,000 points here and let's say 3,000 points here. They will pay you on the 2,000 and push the 1,000 to the next day. Okay, so you lose nothing. So this is the parent commission. Your left, your right, whether you brought the person or not. Once the company sees points on your left, points on your right, they pay it and pay you. How awesome is it, guys? All right, then let's go to another one. This is universal unilevel income. Now this is monthly. Okay, this is going to be your monthly residual income as your team grows. Now the company says, boss, you are going to earn on 10 generations below you, guys. 10. Okay, you are going to be earning when everybody is buying the product every month. Okay, when people decide to do their monthly purchase, and it's not compulsory, this is optional. Okay, you are going to be earning on 10 generations, 1, 2, 3, up to 10. Just think about that, guys. You are going to be earning 5 pesos. There is going to be naira, so you are going to see, but it's 10 generations. Okay, then check this one out, guys. This is called the infinity bonus. Now this is what I like. Okay, this is amazing. This is why I joined the business. Now the company says that when you start bringing people, okay, after your first 2 referral, this is you brought this guy, you brought this guy, from your 3rd person going, your 3rd person, your 4th person, your 5th person, when they also start bringing people, all their first 2 people, okay, their first 2 people down to infinity, you are going to be earning commissions on them when all of them are joining. Check this out, guys. So this is your first person, your 3rd, this is your 3rd guy. When this your 3rd guy brings somebody here and the person joins silver, the company pays 150 pesos. When this guy brings another silver, 150 pesos. When this guy here also brings somebody who comes in gold, 350. They bring somebody who comes in platinum, 750. When somebody brings in a diamond, 1250. So from your 3rd person, the first 2 people from your third person, all their generations, it goes down deep to infinity. Just think about it, guys. Remember, this is only your third person. What about your fourth, your fifth? Let's assume you have recruited 100 people. Okay, so this is a clear picture of it. This is you. Okay, this is you here. Your first person, your second person. From your third person, when this your third person brings these 2 people, you make commission. When this guy brings 2 people, you make commission. It goes down until infinity. Same with your fourth person, your fifth person, your sixth person. Guys, I joined this business immediately I saw this complaint. Okay, so this is the infinity bonus. Then guess what? They also have the Kai program. Okay, now as you are making your commissions, you'll be earning points in the program. And the company says you can redeem the points for product. Okay, if you have 50 points, you can exchange it for phone. 100 points, you can exchange it for watch. 500 points, laptop. If you get 1,000 points, the company can make a down payment as a car for you. Okay, now if you have 3,000 points, they can make a down payment for this car too. If you have 10,000 points, you can redeem it for a full price car, fully paid car. Okay, if you have a 20,000 points, another car. So as you are making money, you are getting points. Then when you get points, you use it to redeem this price. Okay, so guys, as we speak, this is opening in Nigeria on the 20th. Okay, so this is the time to be a leader in Nigeria right now. Position yourself at the top. Remember, those who join network marketing at the early stage, that is where the money is. Okay, so these are the packages in Nigeria right now. We have the bronze package, which is 3,000, 13,000 naira. Okay, we have the silver package, 40,000 naira. We have the gold package, 95,000. We have the platinum package, 200,000, 4,000. We have the sapphire package. We have the ruby package. We have the emerald package. Then we have the diamond package. Okay, so I would advise you come in at the silver package. Okay, that is the best package so that I can start earning the infinity bonus. The infinity bonus is from silver package and above. So if you can afford, come in at the silver package or gold or platinum. Okay, you can upgrade at any time to any level. There's no pressure. Now position yourself at the top, guys. Now you can make your payment by bank transfer, Western Union from Nigeria, or even Bitcoin. Okay, so these are the ways you are going to make payment. You make payments, then you take your details and you are registered. Then you start building your team. Okay, guys, this is the time to act now. If you're in Nigeria, this business is for you. Okay, be a team leader and start building your team right away. You can click on the WhatsApp, the link below. You say WhatsApp me right now, and we'll take you straight away to WhatsApp. You WhatsApp me that you are ready to be a team leader in Nigeria. You make your payment, you send a registration detail, then we register you immediately. Then you start building your team, waiting for 20. Remember, as soon as you join, the next person to register after you anywhere in the world, you start making money, guys. So as you are delaying right now, you are losing money. Okay, all right. So it's opening in 20th in Nigeria. So join us now, Boss International. This company is going to make millionaires, guys. Imagine 2-3 years from now with Boss International when you're a top leader, guys. Anybody who registers after you start making money, even without referring. Universal Proof bonus is there for you guys. So if you're interested and you're motivated, WhatsApp me right now below, or copy my WhatsApp number and WhatsApp me right now that you're interested. Join our team and let's start going. Don't let this opportunity pass you guys. This is Boss Network, the business of the 21st century. This business is going to change life in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, take action right now. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.